Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and in this tutorial we're just going to take a look at an example of formatting a number in JSTL. So another major grouping of JSTL functions is, I shouldn't say functions, I should probably say JSTL tags, are the format tags. So if you go to, let's go to the internet here and search for JSTL FMT format, we can find this API documentation here, and there are a bunch of useful things here, and what I'm going to use here is I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm just going to use this format number tag here. So the way this works is it allows you to format numbers, and you can format using kind of currencies and things like that, and it's pretty much the same as the stuff we've seen so far. So if I go to my website here, my application, I've rearranged this homepage so that it displays the highest ranked images first, and I've fiddled about with it a bit so that this squirrel picture here gets the highest rank. And if I click on that, the problem is that this rank looks pretty funky, and I really only want it to have one decimal place there, so I'm going to fix that now. So I'm going to go to my image.jsp, and I'm going to copy this taglib directive, and I'm now going to use the format taglib directive. And if you look at the documentation here, you can see that, let's go back, that here it tells you to use this taglib URI ending in FMT, and then the prefix is FMT. So let's go back to Eclipse and change this to FMT, and I'll have a FMT prefix. And once I've done that, now let's find the bit where it actually outputs the ranking on the page, which is here. And I'm going to surround this in a FMT, I think it was format number. Let's have a look. Go back to here, and let's go forward again. And yeah, the one I want is this format number tag. So I'll copy that and paste that in. And if we look at the attributes here in the documentation, then most of them are not required, but the ones I want to use are certainly the value, because that's going to actually be where I specify my number. So I'll say value equals, put that in quotes, and let's close the tag as well while we're at it. And I also want to specify the number of digits after the decimal point, and it says maximum number of digits in a fractional portion of the formatted output, which sounds good to me. So let's just copy that and go to Eclipse, and I'll say again that this equals, let's say equals 1. Now let's have a look and see if that works. So make sure everything's saved and run my website, run on server, and go to Squirrel, and hey presto, and you'll notice it's rounded up because it was 3.6666, and it's now 3.7, which is quite nice. So that's it for this tutorial, and until next time, happy coding.